Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we're diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of February, 2025, our system has ranked BigBear.ai Holdings as a sell candidate, resulting in a score of -3.90. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has incurred a loss of 39.26%. This equates to an average loss of 2.62% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is situated in the lower range of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $2.99 be breached, it would initially suggest a deceleration in the rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning sign for a potential shift in trend. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 11.08% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between 6.71% and 263.71%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of about 60.96%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 53.29% to 424.52% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $4.77 and $16.31. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for BigBear.ai Holdings. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price increased by 4.71% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025. The stock rose from $2.97 to $3.11. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 8.56%, reaching a low of $2.92 and a high of $3.17. Notably, the price has declined in 5 out of the last 10 days, down by 35.21% during this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 26 million shares, with a total of 22 million shares being traded, amounting to approximately $69.81 million. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $10.35, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price is 69.95%, or $7.24, below the 52-week high, and 80.71%, or $13.01, below the all-time high reached on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price peaked at $16.12. BigBear.ai Holdings, Incorporated, trading under the ticker BBAI, is currently facing scrutiny as multiple law firms have announced investigations into the company for potential violations of federal securities laws. This situation arises following BigBear's recent filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission, indicating a delay in its annual 10-K report and the revelation that some of its financial statements may be unreliable. These issues have led to a decline in the stock price of over 13% recently, reflecting investor concerns about transparency and financial integrity. In the short term, this negative news is likely to result in increased volatility and selling pressure on the stock as investors consider the potential impacts of ongoing investigations and the company's accounting discrepancies. The lack of confidence may stem from fears of legal consequences or further financial restatements, which could dampen investor sentiment and reduce liquidity in the stock. In the longer term, the outlook may depend on how BigBear addresses these financial uncertainties and secures its operational integrity. Prolonged scrutiny and negative sentiment could hinder the company's growth prospects and limit its ability to raise capital, potentially affecting strategic development initiatives. If BigBear can effectively manage these challenges, there may still be an opportunity for a turnaround as dynamics in the artificial intelligence market evolve. However, until clarity is achieved, investors are likely to remain cautious. Currently, there are no recent analyst ratings accessible for this stock. If you seek further insights, it may be beneficial to explore third-party opinions or conduct an online search. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to the stock of BigBear.ai Holdings. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is also categorized as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts continue to rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. Volume declined during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock warrants close observation. There are also some negative signals present, which could impact short-term developments. BigBear.ai Holdings currently exhibits sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is an overarching sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average exceeds the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance will likely be encountered at levels of $3.26 and $5.57. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 13, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 68.20%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 24 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 87 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 19 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 130 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. BigBear.ai Holdings finds support from accumulated volume at $2.98. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock may exhibit significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 250 cents between its high and low, representing an increase of 8.56%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 8.13%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate a lack of profitability and suggest possible bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates project a loss of 6 cents per share. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $3.14. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $2.98. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of March, 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings LLC executed an insider sale of 5,216,361 shares of common stock. On the 17th of March, 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings LLC executed an insider sale of 2,314,872 shares of common stock. On the 12th of March, 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings LLC executed an insider sale of 3,629,108 shares of common stock. On the 13th of March, 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings LLC executed an insider sale of 1,707,837 shares of common stock. On the 12th of March, 2025, Hayes Dorothy D. executed an insider sale of 16,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 93.270. In total, insiders purchased 4,510,799 shares and sold 117,738,784 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? Currently, BigBear.ai Holdings stock exhibits several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will experience weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our assessment of this stock remains negative. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 20th of March, we expect BigBear.ai Holdings to open lower by approximately 4 cents, starting at $3.07. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.